Hello and welcome to Tablescape Tuesday. This is hosted by Anna from the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and today it is freestyle, so you can choose whatever you wish to do for your tablescape. So I'm going to do an Easter tablescape, adding this runner that says Happy Easter. I had ordered this from Amazon last year. It's got the cutest little bunnies on it. And then next, I'm going to be adding these large Easter egg chargers that I purchased at the Winn-Dixie grocery store. Now, I only have 2 of those, so I'm going to place those at the side. And I just straightened up the runner so it's centered. Next, I'm going to be adding the napkins that I folded to look like bunny ears and then put a little egg inside. And my salad plate is this pretty little pansy plate, and the dinner plate is this blue plate with white etched flowers in it. So I'm going to place that on the egg charger, then my pansy plate, and then the napkin. Now I'm going to show you how to fold your napkins to look like bunny ears, so stay tuned for that. Okay, now that all the place settings are set, I'm going to bring in the centerpiece, which is this beautiful vase that's got pansies on it. See how pretty that is? I thrifted that many years ago. And the print goes all the way around, and I placed pansies inside it. Isn't that pretty? So I'll place that in the center. Next, I'm going to be adding these cute little bunnies under a cloche. There's one, and I have another one. I purchased both of those on, or at the Dollar General, and the cloche on Amazon. And here's the other bunny. I think they're just the cutest. And his little egg says Happy Easter. So I place each of those on each side of the centerpiece. Then next I'll be adding these candles. I'm trying to read it. They were $3 and the scent is sweet watermelon. And it does smell really good. Dollar General for both of those. Okay, now I'm going to add my pink wine glasses and my blue wine glasses. I believe I ordered both of those from Amazon. Okay, so here's an overview of everything. So isn't that pretty? I love the flowers, the bunnies under the cloche, and the way I folded the napkins like bunny ears. Now remember, I'll show you how I folded the napkins at the end of the video. Okay, now I'm lighting the candles, and here is the reveal. Now remember, this is an open collaboration. Anyone can join. Just hashtag Tablescape Tuesday 25. I love the way the light shines through the pink glass and the blue glass. Another look at the pretty vase and flowers. I think the Easter egg charger plates are very pretty, and I got those at the Winn-Dixie grocery store. Okay, now I'm going to show you how I fold the napkin to look like bunny ears. So you just take your napkin, you fold it diagonally, and you start at the tippy top and start rolling it toward you, as tight as you can get it. Then I take my egg and just wrap the napkin around it, and I took this yarn, but you can take any type of twine ribbon and then just tie it off at the top. It's as simple as that. And there we go. And you can just kind of flop the ears over or have them stick up straight, however you want to present it. Isn't that cute? Okay, I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a happy Easter.